The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Then big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video we're going to take a look at two videos that are being talked about on social media. See if we can give you somewhat of information about these two videos. You see? Alright, so the first video I'm going to present to you, this video had been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. See, I don't know when the video will be recorded, but however, the video shows two persons restraining a person. See? Now, one of those persons who can be seen in the video restraining the person who was on the ground, right? That person is said to be a member of the Trinidad and Tobago police service. But however, it is said that the person was out of uniform, and allegedly, it is said that the person was off duty. Allegedly. I can't confirm that. I'm just telling you something that have been said on social media. However, I did not get much information about the other person, viewers and subscribers. But it is said that the person who was being restrained by those persons, it is said that that person was acting somewhat violent towards his wife, and it is said that the person was being very abusive to members of his family. You see? Viewers and subscribers, other persons can be seen in the video as well, and I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. You can let me know what to think about this video as well. Alright, and before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
I let him go. Right. What was something? Alright. Well, the man disrespectful his parents. He just beat his wife. He's horny. Judge. And he say that? And he say that? He say, well, man, to my bossy babe? Right. Well, the man,
you know the handcuffs, so my hand is safety, right?
No, I stand on foot.
So you know the handcuffs, so no, stay here and put the handcuffs on the hand, sit up, right?
That is the reason for the handcuffs, you know?
Yeah, but you disrespect. You disrespectful.
Watch him out, watch him out.
Hey, stop that tonight. Hey. Hey, you don't know me?
I don't know you.
Right.
Relax.
Right. Bang, girl, step on the side. You relax yourself.
Right, let's relax. Take in front, right? Turn up, take it on in front. Right? Let's put this on.
Take my phone.
Let's put this on. Put my hand on your safety, right?
This guy's a police?
Yes, please. You saw them? It is a bang girl.
Call out to the police station.
Well, after that, you can't wait on your foot, sir. You feel like you're right? You're waiting on your foot.
Relax, man.
I'm not going to last year.
Listen, let's put on the handcuff and we will talk.
Nick.
Right? Put on the handcuff and we will talk.
You have everything in recording?
Put on the handcuff and we will talk.
It don't matter.
Right?
Put it on Nick.
What's
Nicholas.
wrong with you?
Show me some kind of...
What's wrong with you?
Show me something.
Want to see my badge?
So the man is
Yeah, but I didn't need to do him that though. He wasn't doing anything.
What do you mean? You want to take it all of this? What do you mean? You're so bad at this.
I am.
That's not good. That's
Nicholas.
You want to put him down? You want me to put him down?
Listen to me.
Where are you going? What the fuck is wrong?
Hey, stop it today.
okay.
Come my minutes later.
Okay.
I'm not with you. Come
You're not with me? But he's being very disrespectful. Don't touch me again.
Give me my phone. Why you have my phone? If she's going to touch you, give me my phone. Please, take my
I
phone.
want to go. Get back your phone first. Where do I want to go?
But is the one? But you.
It looked like that man was acting really bad to a point where persons had to restrain that man, You see me? I mean, if you look at the video, you can see where one of those persons was trying to get both of that person's hands in the handcuff. You see? I don't know if he actually got the chance to do so because the video stopped at a certain point. You see me? I said to you. Yeah, and it seems as if the other person was assisting that person to restrain the person or to get the person in the handcuff. You see me? I said to you. yeah, I mean, this person really and truly seems as if he was acting somewhat bad. You can hear where persons are saying that he did this and he did that, and then there was someone in the background of the video you can hear saying certain things that seems as if the person was somewhat sorry for the person. You see, say no to violence, don't be abusive to no one. That's how I left it. I'm gonna support them kind of things there. You see? Alright, so let me know what you think about that video, and the next video I'm going to present to you. This video has been posted different places on social media without any explanation. You see me? Some places on social media, this video has been posted saying a mysterious fire broke out at a beach. But where? See? So I did some research and got some information about this video. The video I'm about to present to you, it is said that the video shows a mysterious fire that broke out at a beach somewhere within the country that is known as Nigeria, that is within the continent of Africa. The incident happened sometime within the month of May, the year 2021, and allegedly it is said that the fire had been caused by a broken pipeline. See? Allegedly, it is said that the fire was the result of a broken pipeline. Allegedly. Alright, so I'm going to present this video to you so that you can get a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
From that place, as I come, the fire did that place. Everywhere we come from. Why not? Put them to that side. Why not? I want Baba yo. What's your name on you? Oh, Montagnier. Italo don't buy. I don't want to see me. I know the video. No, no, this. Oh, Baba, what is that? Oh, the phone. You know that I'm going to go. Don't go there. I every something where the I don't go to every day. I this first time. Don't be so that don't go one time. They don't go to I just want to go. Let's stop it go. I see what I get. Make this. Don't go to everybody. Everybody go to talk to me. Hey, check what you want.
Well, that's how I left it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. I don't know, but they have to keep you up to date and post it, let you know what's going on. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey man, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.